Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to manage bed assignments in the hospital management system, placing patients in available beds, setting discharge dates, and adding notes so every admission stays organized and easy to track. Let's get started. From the sidebar, click the search menu at the top and type Hospital to filter your modules. Then click Hospital Management to open it. Next, click Bed Management. This is where all your bed-related settings. Then open the Bed Assignment section. This is where you allocate beds to patients and keep track of who's admitted where. Click here to begin creating a new bed assignment for a patient. On the form that opens, start by choosing the patient you're admitting from the list. Then pick an available bed for them. The list shows you what's free and its rate, so you can place patients quickly without double booking a space. Next, review or set the admission date and time. This marks when the patient is checked into the bed. Click Select Discharge Date Time to set the patient's expected discharge date. Then, set the expected discharge date from the calendar. Planning this up front helps your team manage capacity and prepare beds for the next patient. In the Notes field, add any important details about the patient or the assignment, like allergy information or care instructions. A quick note here keeps your staff informed at a glance. Once everything looks right, click Create to save the new bed assignment and update your records. And that's a wrap on bed assignments. You've just learned how to admit a patient to an available bed, set the admission and discharge dates, and add notes for context. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your hospital management system.